Welcome back to class 7 mathematics classes. Today we are doing algebraic expressions, exercise 13a, question number 1. Identify monomials binomials and trinomials from the following algebraic expressions. Okay, now number 1, 7p square into a cube b. Okay, this one is a monomial. Since we know that terms are separated by plus and minus, but here we see into is there, therefore this is one term only, this is single term, so it is a monomial. Number 2, 5 plus 3x cube y cube z square. Here plus is there, this side one term, this side another term. 3x cube y cube z square is a single term. Okay, so here two terms are there, therefore it is a binomial. It is a binomial. Number 3 is 3x square divided by p. This is a monomial because plus and minus only separates the terms, so this is a single term. Okay, monomial. Number 4, 3a plus 2b minus 5c. Okay, whole divided by 7. So here this is one term, this is another term, this is another term, plus and minus is there, so this is a different term, this is another different term, this is another different term, so there are three terms here. Okay, so three terms is a trinomial. Number 5, xy plus yz minus zx. This is also trinomial. Xy is one term, plus yz is another term, minus zx is another term, so there are three terms here, so trinomial. Number 6, ax square plus bx into y square. This one is first term, ax square plus bx into y square, this is another term, so here are two terms, 1 and 2, so two terms is a binomial. Now next question is 2. Write down the numerical as well as literal coefficients of each of the following. Monomials. So this is the question. Now question number 1, minus 2p cube q square, minus 2p cube q square. Okay, so here numerical number is minus 2. Okay, so numerical, this is a number, so it is called as numerical coefficient. So numerical coefficient is equals to, here numerical coefficient is equals to minus 2 and literal means these variables. Okay, literal coefficient is equals to p cube q square, p cube q square. Okay, so now next is question number 2. 5 by 9x y z square. So now you have understood this is the numerical coefficient and this is the literal coefficient. So here numerical coefficient is equals to minus, this is not minus, 5 by 9 only. So literal coefficient is equals to x y z square. Okay, now number 3, minus 3a b square by 2. Here minus 3 by 2 is the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient is equals to minus 3 by 2 and literal coefficient is equals to ab square. Okay, now question number 3. In minus 5 p square q cube r to the power 4, write down the coefficient of number 1 p square. This coefficient of p square means height p and height p. Okay, what are remainings? Minus 5 q cube r to the power 4. This is the coefficient. Okay, the coefficient is equals to COE, coefficient is equals to minus 5 q cube r to the power 4. Okay, number 2, 5 pq square, coefficient of this. Okay, coefficient of 5pq square, 5pq square, that means from p square 1p is here, from q cube 1q q square is here, remaining are the coefficients. Okay, so from this minus is there, 5 is here, p is here, p square, so 1p. Okay, q square is here, so from q cube 1q is remaining and r to the power 4. Okay, r to the power 4. The next is 3 number. 3 number p square q square. So coefficient of this one will be equal to p square q square. So minus 5 q and r to the power 4. So you have to see properly and just to write. There is no calculation, nothing is there. You have to understand these all coefficient, numerical, literal coefficients. Okay, if you are having problems, you can watch my previous video class of this algebraic expressions. Question number 4. Identify the like term in the following. So here number 1 is a square comma b square minus 2a square comma c square comma 4a. So here like terms is a square and minus 2a square, because we are looking for the variable should be same, okay, and then they are like terms. So a square here also a square. In the remaining there is no a square. Here a is there but no square is there, so this is also not a like term. So here only two terms are like, a square comma minus 2a square, okay. Number 2, 3x comma 4xy comma yz half zy. So here like terms is like this. You can put the arrow. Like terms is 3x. Is there any only x? No. Okay. xy is there? No xy. Yz and zy is same. Yz and zy is same. These two are like terms. Minus yz comma half zy. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Generate algebraic expressions for the following. Okay. See here we have to understand the words here. The product of A and B added to their sum. Okay. The word product, okay, added to their sum. So product of A and B, product means to multiply, product is what? Multiply. Added means to add, okay. Sum means the total, isn't it? So here product of A and B is equals to A into B, that is AB. Sum of A and B is equals to A plus B. Sum means adding, okay. Now according to this statement or question, you can write algebraic expression will be equal to AB, product of AB added plus to their sum. This is the sum, A plus B, okay. Like this we generate algebraic expressions from the given statements, okay. Let us try few more. Number 2. The quotient of x by 8 is multiplied by y, okay. So here quotient of x by 8, this one you have to write multiplied by y, okay, multiplied by y. So therefore here quotient of x by 8 we will get x divided by 8. Okay, if we divide x by 8, we'll get the quotient. So we can write quotient of x by 8 as x by 8 multiplied by y. So therefore, according to question or statement, it will be algebraic expression will be equal to this quotient, that is x by 8 is multiplied by y, which is equals to xy by 8. Next is 3 number. Okay, thrice x added to y squared. Okay, thrice x is equals to, thrice x means 3x. Okay, y squared means y square. So here we have to add 3x and y square. Thrice x added to y squared. So we have to add according to question. Algebraic expression will be equal to thrice x plus y square. Okay, 4 number, 1/3. You have to read properly. 1/3 of x. 1/3 of x means 1 by 3, 1/3 of x. Okay, x multiplied by the sum of p and q. So 1/3 of x will be equal to 1/3 of x, which is equals to 1 by 3x. Okay, or you can write x by 3. Sum of p and q can be written as p plus q. So according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to 1/3 of x multiplied by sum of these. So 1/3 of x multiplied x by 3 multiplied by the sum of this means p plus q. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5, the number to be added to x plus y to make it equal to p. Okay, so here the number to be added to xy to make it equal to p, here you have to use your logic. Okay, so number to be added to x plus y, so any number which will add with this and that will be equal to p. Okay, that number how we will get? We'll get by subtracting this number from this, isn't it? So directly we can write according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to p minus x plus y. Did you understand? The number to be added to 5, suppose. Okay, the number to be added to 5 to make it equal to 6, then what you will do? X minus 6 minus 5 you will do, no? The number to be added to 5 to make it equal to 6. So that number you will get by subtracting 6 minus 5. Yes or no? Same thing I have done here. P minus x plus y to get the algebraic expression. Okay. 6 number. From a rod P plus Q units, in length n equal pieces are cut. From the length of this n equal pieces are cut. Find the length of each piece. Okay, so length of rod here given, length of rod is equals to p plus q units. Okay, number of equal pieces, number of equal pieces is equals to n. Okay, so according to question, what we can write, length is this and number of equal pieces is this, yes or no? So according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to, if we divide the total length by the number of pieces, we'll get the length of each piece. Okay, or length of each piece will be equal to p plus q divided by n. Okay, next is question number 7. 5 times m subtracted from the sum of p and thrice x. So 5 times means to multiply. 5 times m means 5 into m, which is equals to 5m. Sum of p and thrice x, p plus thrice x means 3x. So this is the sum. Now according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to what then? The sum of p, 5 times m subtracted, so it is subtracted, 5 times is subtracted from this, 5 times is subtracted from this, so this will write at first, put it in bracket, minus 5m. Okay, 8 number, the number obtained when m times the difference of x and y is subtracted from n times the sum, try to understand, of x and y, the number obtained when m times, so number is obtained m times the difference of x and y, m times the difference of x and y. So let us write m times the difference of x and y will be equal to what? M times the difference of x and y. Like this, difference means to subtract. Okay, n times, another is n times the sum of x and y, n times the sum of x and y, n times the sum of x and y will be equal to what? N times x plus y. Okay, so here algebraic expression will be, according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to what? Is subtracted. It is given there, the difference of x and y is subtracted. Okay, so subtracted from, so from n times the sum of x and y. So that expression we'll write first, n times the sum of x plus y minus m times the difference of x and y. Okay, so this is the algebraic expressions here. Question number 9. The sum of 7 numbers, each equal to p. Okay, sum of 7 numbers each equal to p. That means there are 7 numbers and each are p. Okay, and the sum we have to write. So that is p 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether how many p are there? 7 p. So this is the algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression. Now question number 10. The product of 3 numbers a, b and c subtracted from the sum of x and y. Okay, so product of 3 numbers, product of 3 numbers is equals to a into b into c, that is a, b, c. The sum of x and y is equals to x plus y. Now according to question, algebraic expression will be equal to what? Subtracted, it is there, subtracted from the sum of x and y. Okay, so this expression will be at first x plus y subtracted from this product of 3 numbers, that is a, b, c. Okay, a, b, c. So question number 10. So we have completed this. Now next is question number 6, which we'll do next video class. Thank you very much. Question number 6. Identify which of the following expressions are polynomials. Are polynomials if, so write their degrees. Okay, write their degrees. Now question number 1 is given as 2 by 3 x to the power 4 minus 7x plus 15. Is this a polynomial? Yes, this is a polynomial. Because which expression is not a polynomial? When the power of the variable is negative, okay, or in fraction, or any variable is in the denominator, then that expression is not called as polynomial. Okay, once again I repeat, when the power of the variable is in negative, okay, negative power, or in fraction, or any variable in the denominator, then that algebraic expression is not called as polynomial. So such case is not here. It is a whole number, the power is whole number, here also 1 is there. Okay, so it is a polynomial. First of all, let us write yes, it is a polynomial. Okay, and the degree of this is the highest power of the variable in any of the term. So in this term, the power of the variable is 4. In this term, the power of the variable is 1. Okay, here is no variable. That means the power of variable is 0 here. Okay, so the greatest power of the variable is in this term, that is x to the power 4. So 4 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay, do revise once again what I am saying here. Question number 2. 8x square minus 3x plus 6 root x, okay, plus 1. So here this is square, which is in whole number and positive number. There is no denominator here. This one is 1. The power of x is 1. Here is a problem. This is x is root under, okay, square root under x. So square root under x means what? X to the power half, which is a fraction. So that is why it is not a polynomial. So one of the term is given in this form. So no, it is not a polynomial. If it is not a polynomial, then there is no question of looking for the degree. Okay, so here, see here, once again, the power is in fraction. The power is in fraction. Root x is x to the power half. So the power is in fraction. That is why it is not a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression where the power is in, the power of the variable is in whole number. Whole number, okay, and positive whole number. Next number is 3. 5x square minus 2 by x plus 7. Here also this is in the denominator. Variable is in the denominator, which is not a polynomial. If it happens like this, then that algebraic expression is not a polynomial. No. Here also no, it is not a polynomial because the variable is in the denominator. Okay, number 4. 9x square y square minus 3x y square plus 5x square y minus 6x. Now here, see, this is whole number, positive. This one is a positive. No fraction powers are there. Okay, no negative powers are there. There is no denominator as a variable here. So that is why, yes, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Okay, about the degree, you have to see the terms. Here the power is square. This is a single term. Okay, the power is square. Here also the power is square. So together the power of this term is 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 1 is there. 1 plus 2 is 3. Here the power of this one is 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 1. So highest power is in this term, that is 4. 2 plus 2. We can add here to see the degree. 2 plus 2 is 4. So therefore degree is 4 here. Okay, like that. Question number 5. 6 p to the power 4 minus p cube and q square plus p cube square pq cube, okay, plus q to the power 4. Now here also the powers given here are positive. No fractions, no variable in the denominator. That is why, yes, it is a polynomial. Okay, and about degree, you can see here this is 4 and this one is 3 plus 2 5. Here 3, here 4. So 5 is the degree. The highest, the greatest is the degree. Greatest power is the degree. Question number 6. 4x to the power 5 plus 7x to the power 5 y plus 3x y to the power 4 plus 8y to the power 5. So here also no fractions, no negative powers, okay, no denominator as a variable. So yes, it is a polynomial, okay. And the degree here, degree, the highest, the greatest power we have to see here. So greatest power here is 5 here, and here 5 plus 1 6, here is 4 plus 1 5, here 5. So this 6 is the greatest, degree is 6 here. Now question number 7, ab square minus 7 by a square plus 5b square plus 6, okay. You can see here easily this a square is in the denominator, a square is a variable, okay. As this is in the denominator, variable is in the denominator, that is why this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So no, it is not a polynomial, okay. So here we have completed the exercise. Now your work is to revise and to do these sums very nicely to and practice it, okay. Thank you very much.